Welcome to my workshop and the Mod 8 project hitting a little reality challenge. There's a stuck screw. I'm going to have to grind it out. I mount the lens module high up. The cable tie is really useful for this kind of thing, and I'm going to get a tiny grinding tip onto the head of the screw to get that motor out. Okay, testing the gear train. And that has the aperture mechanism working. All I need is to get an electric motor or maybe a hand crank to operate these gears. Here's the test setup for a very small stepper motor. I'll try a 220 ohm resistor to reduce torque, and it reduces it rather too much. Try 100 ohm.
Oh, it's got a little flag on it.
Oh, we need it because it's so small that otherwise we wouldn't be able to see it turning. But not enough torque to turn the gears. So we go to 39 ohms.